Presenting the Sterling PunchMaster, the most versatile automatic punch in the world. The PunchMaster will punch any hole, any shape, anywhere on the sheet at speeds up to 125,000 sheets per hour. That's 1,000,000 sheets per shift. One of the PunchMaster's best features is that it is a one-operator machine. Here's how it works. Paper is fed from the pile feeder. A lift of paper from a few sheets to 1/8 of an inch is separated from the pile and then grabbed by the belts. The belts deliver the pile to the register table. The jogging mechanism uses four-way registration via a fixed side guide, a moving side guide, and front and back jogging fingers. The lift is then punched. Afterwards, ejection wheels push the lift into the belts, sending the lift into the delivery end of the machine. The belts carry the lift around the drum, keeping the sheets in collated sequence and ejecting them on the delivery conveyor. When the operator detects that a pile is running out, he preloads the lower tray. After the last lift is fed, he removes the upper tray and raises the lower tray just to below the paper stabber. Another striking feature is the ease of changing a die. The PunchMaster die can be changed in about a minute. Firstly, the operator unscrews one bolt. Then he moves the front stop out of the die. He pulls out the die and slides the other die in. Here, two 20-inch or 50-centimeter dies are being exchanged. He resets the front stops. Then tightens the bolt. That's all there is to it. A spacer bar can be used to accommodate shorter dies of 15 inches or 38 centimeters. An economical accessory is the reversible die. Put two different die patterns in the same die. Simply load the die from either end to achieve the desired pattern. Two main features are the jam-up detectors. The first senses the thickness of the pile. After setting the desired thickness, this detector will stop the machine if too much paper has been picked up. This avoids feeding more paper than the die can handle. The second will detect if the pile is skewed, curled, or jammed, avoiding excess paper waste. Should a jam-up occur, simply press the reverse switch and run the machine in reverse until the jam-up is cleared. It is necessary to center the sheet so that the margins on either side appear even. The patented micro-die adjustment negates the time-consuming practice of centering the sheet by constantly adjusting side guides on either side of the machine, as you see here. Once the sheets are almost centered, simply turn the micro-adjustment wheel. This will move the die laterally up to 1/4 of an inch in increments of less than 1/1000th of an inch. This makes centering the sheet a snap. Another feature is the variable speed conveyor, which allows the operator to slow down the conveyor without reducing the speed of the machine. This enables the same operator to both load and offload rather than using a second operator to constantly unload a hopper or jogger. Should a jogger be more desirable, simply lift up the delivery tray and let the sheets fall into a jogger. An option on the PunchMaster is the lifter stabber. This allows for the punching of heavier stock intermixed with body copy. The lifter stabber facilitates punching without splitting the covers. Another option is the Airfear, which allows the operator to feed one sheet or signature at a time. This comes in handy when punching board, or in this case, stitch booklets. The optional drum bypass can be used to punch heavy board that cannot bend while going around the drum. Here, heavy board is being punched and ejected prior to going around the drum. The corner perf attachment allows for the punching of the perf pattern simultaneously with the spine of the sheet. The calendar hole punch attachment punches the hanger hole at the same time it punches the hole pattern at the other end of the sheet. Punch a variety of stocks such as NCR forms or acetate. Punch fiberboard to create highly accurate medical parts used for laboratory testing. Here we have stock that was run through a copy machine, twice. Punch mixed stock, including lenticular plastic, vinyl pouches, and adhesive sheets. Feed sheets from 4x5 to 11x17 inches up to sheets that are 20 by 20 inches or 50 by 50 centimeters. Punch for wire, spiral, plastic coil, or Surlux GBC. Feed vinyl, folded vinyl, or leatherette. Punch stock that has been die cut. Punch stitch books, signatures, or pocket folders and trim the spine in the same pass. Punch corner perforation patterns for planners and diaries. Punch any custom pattern imaginable. Punch door hangers, tags, windows, or slots. Punch anything from rice paper to aluminum. Punch reinforced paper. Punch heavy press board. Use double row dies to punch wraparound covers. Punch perforation patterns and hole patterns in the same pass. Punch a score and hole pattern in the same pass. Punch T-slots and lollipop patterns. Built in the US, the PunchMaster is the fastest and most efficient way to punch hole patterns. It can also punch many products more quickly and cleanly than platen die cutters. Other automatic punches may match the speed or accuracy of the PunchMaster, but not its versatility. Simply put, if it cannot be punched on a PunchMaster, it cannot be punched automatically. Call for a demonstration today.